my VAs use Google Maps to find facilities that are on Google Maps and create lists to call and talk to owners. I mean, we called we called 60 people in this area and talked to many of them were owners. So their owners are answering the phone in these areas. And the truth is that like this area here all the way to Llano, eventually I'm guessing eventually from Llano to Austin, this whole area, like right in this area, maybe even down in this area, but this is going to be all just growing. It's just growing so fast. So think about in your areas where you're living, where you don't have to focus on primary market, maybe not even the secondary market, but where is your cities growing to? Where are they going to? All right, and then focus on maybe out here. So that's why I'm saying we're focusing on buying storage kind of in this area right here, because we know we can get a better price in this area, but we know eventually over the course of the next 10 years, as we hold on to this property, we'll be able to sell it at even better rate. Okay. So, and then another thing about Google Maps is all of the facilities that you find when you're looking online and you're going in satellite view. So obviously, let me see, let me get out of here. Let's go here, and then let's do storage near me in this site right here. And so then you see all these storage facilities here, but like, so for instance, this little town right here is called Kingsland. And there are a lot of storage facilities in this area that are not on Google Maps, right? So you want to be looking for storage in the area that is not on Google Maps, and see if you can find those owners, right? So a lot of storage facilities are on Google Maps, but a lot of them are not on Google Maps. And so you want to just kind of keep an eye. And I've driven through this whole area, but I can't remember where the storage facilities are that are hidden. But like, you know, you can tell, like, here's a huge storage facility. Here's a storage facility right here that's not on Google Maps, right? So this one right here maybe would be this might be a storage facility. Maybe not. Oh no, maybe it's apartment complex. No, that's apartments. Let's see. But anyways, as you get in and start looking, you'll find storage facilities that are not on Google Maps. And so that's what they're doing as well too, is exactly what I'm doing right now, and just going through these little tiny towns and looking for facilities that are not on Google Maps, so that they can list those out and put those as potentials that they can call. Okay. And yeah, so Google, so you know, this is what a storage facility looks like on Google Maps. It looks like long, skinny buildings. That's what it looks like most of the time, you know. So you can just kind of, you know, get in here and start looking around. Let's see, is there storage? Oh yeah, I think there is some storage right here. Is a storage facility right here? Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's like storage over here, if I remember correctly from driving. I think this might be a storage facility, but you see how they're kind of like long and skinny. Here's a storage facility right here that's not on Google Maps, right? So the question is, and I think I talked to this owner, actually. I did talk to this owner, and he doesn't want to sell because he owns like this automotive business right here, but you can come over and then like drop yourself like right in front of it. And then you can just go check it out and see what it looks like. Let's see if we can figure this out. Let me see. It's kind of hard to get like back all up in there, isn't it? Can't really tell. Sometimes you can, when they're hiding behind buildings, it's a little bit harder to see. Can't really tell where it is, but it's probably back there somewhere is where it's at. I dropped over here. Maybe I need to drop over here. Let's go back over here and drop on this side, see what this looks like. It's a mobile home park right here. Oh yeah, it's across the way right here. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So here's a storage facility that's not on Google Maps. It's rather large, actually. And I did talk to the owner, and he didn't want to sell because he owns this like mechanic shop over here. And this is just kind of like his one business. That's like his bread and butter and stuff. So, but yeah, this is not on Google Maps. So essentially what they do is they find these types of properties, and then they put them on their list. Okay. And so that's another way to find properties, is the hidden market.